Hi there everybody, and welcome to the second part of making a huge pinch pot. If you want to see the long full version of me building this pot, just look it up on my channel. I did not want to rush this, so I let it dry really slowly. It took more than 3 weeks before it was completely dry. If you want to see more of me making pinch pots, I have a lot of them on my channel because it's actually my favorite technique. It's finally spring here in Finland, so a pot of this size is perfect for my wife outside in the garden. And stoneware clay is perfect to have outside because it withstands even the cold weather in Finland. The material for this pot was really heavy. It was 10 kilo of clay, and that's about 22.5 pounds. And it's going to shrink, and I know how much the final pot will weigh, but you can guess. I will tell you later. Always when I work in clay, I burn my products twice, first in a bisque fire, and then after that I glaze it and burn it in the last fire. And for stoneware the temperature is 1250 degrees. This is now the pot in its final stages. It's leather hard, and I will just make some ornaments, some small lines all over the place. I just use a rubber tip brush and paint them on free-handed. It's going to give a great effect with the glaze running into the grooves. And I'm really sorry to say, but when I actually bisque fired it and did the glazing, I messed up with my camera, so I don't have any proof of that. But I will show you the final result in just a few seconds. When the clay is leather hard, it's really easy to work on it, and you can do a lot just before you let it dry. The thing I am going to do when I have painted on all these lines is put a piece of paper on top, because that will keep the shape of the clay. And then I will leave it to dry for at least 3 weeks. And after that I bisque fire, glaze, and then my pot is ready. And this is actually what it looks like. So here we go, a green pot. It weighs only 7.5 kilos or 16.5 pounds. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.